loves. During the holiday season, I will be sharing how I organize my holiday to be ready for the coming holiday season. So far, I shared 2 videos to inspire you to get organized and get ahead of the holiday. Today, I will share my all-occasion gift closet, and I hope you're enjoying the series so far. So let's get started. Normally when you hear about a gift closet or a hope chest, most people are talking about a wedding or get ready to purchase or build a home. But the gift closet I'm talking about is just a dedicated area to store gift items in a closet, pantry, a bookshelf, or under a bed. It's just an area to stockpile gifts for any occasion. Okay, so not everyone has a space or the budget to set up an actual closet, but it doesn't need to be a closet per se. A storage bin in an easily accessible area would do just as well. In the beginning, I stored my gifts in a storage bin that I stored in my GO closet, but I outgrew the bin and decided I needed a larger space that I will share later in this video. So here are some few tips that you can save money by having a gift closet. Store gifts in a storage bin in a closet or an attic, or an empty suitcase in the guest's bedroom under the bed. Purchase gifts in bulk after the holidays when great gifts are bottom prices. Shop your home for unused treasures lying around the house, such as gifts you didn't use or DIY items you created. In no time, you'll have a great start on closet items from shopping at home. Lastly, by purchasing gifts at bottom prices, whether it's the holiday or seasonal clearance sales, you can shop year-round and build your closet with treasures in no time while watching your budget. The gift closet is located in my office and now shares a space with my office supplies. The office supplies has been purged and now are stored on the last shelf. Each shelf represents a different occasion, from all-purpose gifts to Christmas gifts, and it makes it easier for me to grab whatever I need for whatever occasion I need it for. The first shelf is the all-occasion unisex gifts for family and friends. These are gifts you can grab quickly for birthdays, anniversary, or anything in that nature that I might need at a moment's notice. The second shelf is the all-occasion gifts for a host at an event or at a party that I'm giving. These are simple gifts either I created by DIYing or something that's simple like cookbooks or things in that nature. The third, fourth, and fifth are Christmas gifts. The third shelf are for my party favors. These are gifts that I put in a bag with other gifts to give out to my guests when they come to any of my social events. The fourth shelf are for stocking stuffers and or party favors. I use these also inside my guest favor bags when they come to any event that I may be giving. The white container is normally filled with Christmas goodies like cookies that I baked or candies for the guest favor bag. The fifth shelf are games or gimmick gifts for party games at home or at an invited party we may attend. Over on this shelf are the more expensive gifts for my family and friends. These are Christmas presents. They can range from gift cards, designer scarves and wallets, designer purses and leather briefcase, jewelry, anything along that line that's a little bit more expensive. When I decide to purchase some art either at an estate sale or at an art gallery or just in my home, if I get tired of the piece, I put it down here on the floor and give it as a gift. Another item I put in my guest favor bags for my parties are my DIY ornaments that I make each holiday, or I stock up on ornaments from after Thanksgiving or Christmas sale. They are stored here in this white bin. The idea of a gift closet is to help you save money and being prepared for invited occasions or hosting holiday festivities. Being prepared for the occasion saves time and a lot of stress and keep money in your pocket. Thank you, my friends, for watching another episode in Organized Holiday Series. These videos are to inspire you to get started, get organized, and be ready for the holidays. Until then, see you on the next video, and don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!